My name is Franz. I've been working in beauty industry as eyelash therapist for 9 years. I will be the trainer for eyelash extension, basic and advanced here in Emirates Education Center. In this course, you will learn the newest trend in lash industry like Russian volume eyelash extension. You will learn how to create 3D, 4D, 5D effect and style the different eye look like Kim Kardashian look, cat eye look, and dramatic look. After taking this course, you will be an eyelash expert and confidently work with your client. Emirates Education Center is dedicated to provide high-quality learnings. Come here and enroll in Emirates Education Center. We teach success.